So I'm going to capture me actually doing today's assignment, which is I have to upload a short and add a caption. So I figured I would take you guys with me. Oh, the microphone is unavailable. Another app is... Fuck. Okay, that's fine. I'll do a voiceover. Okay,
Hey guys, okay, so it is day 12 of the 30-day video marketing soul system challenge. And your challenge today is to go and upload a YouTube short and to add captions. You can do a video on Reels and on TikTok, but today you're going to... Hey guys, okay, so it is day 12 of the 30-day video marketing soul system challenge. And your challenge today is to go and upload a YouTube short and to add captions. You can do a video on Reels and on TikTok, but today you're going to... Hey guys, okay.
Decline.
YouTube short and to add captions.
Oh, shit. No, I don't want to do that. I want to go back.
Hey guys, okay, so it is day 12 of the 30-day video marketing soul system challenge. And your challenge today is to go and upload a YouTube short and to add captions. You can do a video on Reels and on TikTok, but today you're going to... Hey guys, okay, so it is day 12 of the 30-day video marketing soul system challenge. And your challenge today is to go and upload a YouTube short and to add captions. You can do a video on Reels and on TikTok, but today you're going to... Hey guys, okay, so it is day 12 of the 30-day video marketing soul system challenge. And your challenge today is to go and upload a YouTube short and to add captions. You can do a video on Reels and on...
Turn this volume down. I don't want to hear it. Okay, so in doing my captions, right, I got to figure out, first of all, so when I click on there and I edit it, at the side on the left here, you can change the font size. So you see, the smaller the font size, I would have to put this somewhere up here in terms of where I'm moving it, right? But if I edit it and change it like that, I can put it somewhere else, off to the side or something. Okay, so this is why I was telling you guys it's important where you position yourself in your videos and stuff like that. Day 12 YouTube Short Video Marketing Challenge. Okay, right. And then I want to add more text. Upload Okay, so adding captions is a little bit different. Okay, so you can't really add captions to YouTube. It doesn't allow you to do that. So I guess I shouldn't say add captions. No, I want to talk about adding captions because you can do it for Reels, I said. Okay, so another thing I want to show you is when you are using this text, again, I talk about uploading the same videos and just editing them differently to see if they have different performance. So I can click up here, you see on the top left with the A. So that is with a black background, white text. This one is a little, it's just sort of grayed out. So let's take a look at what that looks. So that's the grayed out version, right? If I edit it, I've got that version, which it has no background on it. So I don't know if I like that, but if I were to make the, I can't can't really do that. I would, okay, forget it. Done. Right, let me see, where do I want to go? So that doesn't look good on the black pants, right? But what if I change the color to orange? Okay, now I'm on brand, so that looks good. Okay, day 12 YouTube Shorts video marketing. No, I need to do some branding in here. Day 12 YouTube Shorts. Again, sold system. Oh, the Soul System solution. Okay, that's easy. YouTube Shorts. Okay. Day 12 YouTube Short Soul System Solution. Day 12 YouTube Short Soul System Solution Video Marketing Challenge. Day 12 YouTube Shorts. Yeah, so it's too much words. Day 12 YouTube Shorts. We're not going to call it, we're going to just call it the Soul System right now. Okay. And how about we add some little icons and stuff like that. Let's look for video. Video. All right. How's that look? I can't really tell. Okay. Now, if we wanted to, we could time when this comes up. So let's just do that. Let's edit the timing. We don't necessarily want the YouTube short to come right away. And I would have to like listen to see what I'm saying, but I don't even know. I might have to do voiceover, but I can't do voiceover on this. Oh, okay. So I'm just going to have to add music. Did I turn up the volume?
Hey guys, okay, so it is day 12 of the 30-day video marketing soul system challenge. And your challenge today is to go and upload a YouTube short, and to add captions. You can do a video on Reels and on TikTok, but today you're going to practice.
Oh, and I wanted to add sounds because I don't know. We know that sounds, you know what? I'm going to upload this with just, I don't know if it's going to have sound or not because it said that the mic wasn't working for either my video or the video that I'm making. So, oh shit. I gotta change that because I don't have it. So anyway, that is it.